Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you in or less than 3 minutes will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video. So let's start the powerful video. It's important to drink water every day to stay healthy and happy. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. Here are some of the most important things that happen when you drink enough water every day. 1. Water absorption. Water is important for staying wet, which is important for the way your body works. When you drink water, it makes up for the fluids you lose when you sweat, urinate, or even just breathe. 2. Discussion. Water helps the body absorb food by breaking it down and getting nutrients to the cells. It also makes poop easier to pass by making it softer. This can help keep you from getting constipated. 3. Controlling your body temperature. Water helps control your body temperature by getting rid of heat. When you're hot, you sweat, and when the sweat evaporates, it cools down your body. 4. Getting around. Most of the blood is made up of water. Getting enough water helps keep the blood volume up, which in turn helps the blood flow. To get air and nutrients to the cells, you need good circulation. 5. Greasing the joints. Water helps grease the joints, which makes moving easier and more comfortable. Function of the kidneys. The kidneys clean the blood of wastes and get rid of them through pee. For the kidneys to be able to do this job well, they need to get enough water. 7. Health of the skin. Your face will look and feel better if you drink enough water. It helps keep the skin flexible and may make it less likely that you'll get dry, flaky skin. 8. How to lose weight. If you drink water before a meal, you may feel fuller, which could make you eat fewer calories and help you lose weight. 9. Detoxification. Water helps get rid of waste and toxins from the body by way of pee and sweat. 10. Cognition. Being dehydrated can make it harder to think and concentrate. If you drink enough water, you can think more clearly and stay awake. 11. Overall well-being. Drinking enough water helps you feel better overall by giving you more energy and making you feel less tired. It's important to remember that people have different water needs based on their age, amount of activity, climate, and overall health. The 8x8 rule, which says that you should drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water every day, is just a general rule. Some people may need more or less water than this. Paying attention to your body's messages and signs of thirst is the best way to figure out how much water you need. You should also talk to a doctor or nurse if you have specific questions about how much water you should drink, especially if you have other health problems. Like, share, subscribe and comment.